Sir Rod, ano po ang naging reaksyon? Paano po yung naging reaksyon ni Denise nung kanya pong naririnig yung hatol po?
Well, a combination of sadness and shock. Sadness and shock. Shock because I didn't expect such verdict. Sadness because, family, a member of your family, is going to go to prison for the rest of her life. Napakalungkot, Cheryl, napakalungkot.
Noon po, ano po ang naging reaksyon o nasabi po sa inyo ni Denise nung narinig po niya yung hatol po sa kanya?
Well, I was beside her all the time, and I was amazed at her composure. No, she did not weep. She did not do any scandalous act. Wala. She was very quiet. She maintained her composure, and she was telling me that she is maintaining her faith. No? She believes that God will that justice will really prevail. So in short, Cheryl, I look at Dennis as a very strong woman for her age.
At I understand, Sir Rod, kasama rin po ang kanyang nanay. Kanina po, ano po ang naging reaksyon ng kanyang ina?
Well, I suppose any mother would cry, when she heard the verdict, condemning her child. She cried, but of course, ang aking concern sa kanya kasi, she has a heart problem, So we're trying to make her relax, and process the whole thing. But Cheryl, all I can say is this, I was really surprised kung ba't naging ganun ng verdict. But of course, the judge might have good reason. But ang kinakapitan, ang hinaawak namin ngayon, ang aming pananampalataya. We are keeping our faith in God. Kasi marami din po mga kaibigan na mga Kristiyano na nagdadasal para sa Kanya, So I believe that God has a plan. I know that He has a plan. And it will come out right. Yun na po, Cheryl. Yun na po.
Nasaan na po ngayon si Denise, Sir Rod?
Well, we departed from Bikutan. She was on her way to, I think, CIW. I think she has to undergo some medical examination. While the other person will go straight to New Bilibid prison. So she's going to be she'll be incarcerated at CIW. Yan alam ko.
Panghuli na lamang po, ano po ang sunod na hakbang ng inyong pamilya pagkatapos nga po ng hatol ng korte kay Denise?
Well, first pray, second pray, third pray, and lastly, use other legal remedies kung pwede pa.